Hey guys, my inner Puto here, and today we'll be unboxing some, I guess you'll call it, gaming gear. First we have an HDMI. Okay. Got this for $1. HDMI. Looks pretty good. Okay, put that away. Second, we have some controller grips. I did another unboxing from yesterday, so let me just open this real quick. Okay, now I'll drop the mic camera. Okay, first we have the grip. It goes on your controller. I think it's more of a clear color than a white. I got it for Xbox One. Again, I think it's more of a clear color. And here, okay guys, now sorry for that. Now we're back to this thing I wanted. Okay, now we have Gfuel, of course. Cool. A sticker. Scuff Gaming. And our blood orange. So that way we have like another one. Okay. Some more G Fuel. I'll open that later. Is there more? Oh yep, there's more. There's one. Oh, another one. Okay. I think I dropped it. Oops. I've heard it's good, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna get some here. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and use this code. Gotta focus the camera. That says Gfuel, but for 5% off at scuffgaming.com. So if you guys enjoyed this video, peace out, bros.